Okay, so I wanted to show you a couple things that will highlight the capabilities of the laser cutter. The first thing actually is we're in Corel Draw, which is a program that we do our design work in. It's a Windows program, but it is loaded on several laptops, so it's readily available. And there are other programs, I should say, too, but this is what we're familiar with, so I highly recommend that we just start with this program. The first thing I want to show you is it's going to be a magnet of Jason Lee Bruns, and what we're going to put this on a sort of plasticky silver metallic material, same thing that a lot of name badges are made out of, specifically made for a laser cutter. And we'll engrave this picture of him, and we'll cut out around it. So both operations being done sort of simultaneously. The laser cutter knows that anything that's black or gray should be engraved, and anything that's red is going to be cut out. Once we've done that, we'll put a couple magnets on the back and throw it up on the fridge. And the other project that I'll show you is we're going to do this out of wood. This is a flower press. So the size of the magnet was roughly 3 inches by 2 inches. The flower press, just to give you some idea, is I think 4 inches by 5 inches. And again, out of wood, we're going to cut. Red means cut. We're going to cut around and then cut out some holes. The holes will allow some bolts to be fed through, and then we'll have some wing nuts on the other side that'll tighten these two boards together. So top, bottom, sandwich them together with a flower in between, and that'll flatten the flower out. Nice flowery design. Again, it's black so that it'll be engraved, not cut out. And again, that's how the laser cutter differentiates. Okay, so the laser cutter is doing its thing now. It's engraving first. It always engraves first. And by the way, this is going 20 times faster than it really actually does in real life, because it takes a while. So we're going to speed it up a little bit. Almost done with the engraving. Then you'll see it cut out the rest of it in just a second here. And then it'll be all done. Okay, cutting. And now it's finished. Just open up the lid, and we can take it all out at this point. Sometimes it just falls out, sometimes you just kind of wiggle it out. And there are the two pieces. Here it is up close, and it came out really well. It usually does. It does a really high quality job. Okay, and then this is the other object that we were cutting out. The shiny silver metallic plastic material. Put a magnet on the back so we can stick it on the fridge or anything else that we like. You kind of got to get it in the right light, but it looks like it came out real well.